Stove like that, and you can zoom in later. You have your stuff and everything else fine. So give a corner. Give a corner shot. Right there, so see that? You can also zoom on that and make this HD. Alright, so you're gonna zoom in the area when you're ready to cut. So you stop it. This is Randy right now. It's Mother's Day. We're cooking something nice, which is just salt mackerel, and I'm gonna deliver some. Okay, Natasha, can I have all of the items we're gonna put in this beautiful Mother's Day? One pepper, right? We're gonna have the red pepper right there. Two mothers we're cooking for today, and we're gonna cook two pots, one with a lot of pepper, one without. All right, we're gonna get the coconut too. Pass me the tomatoes, Kelly, and show everybody what we're gonna use, and let us also get for me the let me get the coconut oil. Right, see the coconut oil there, right? Put this over here. So I'm gonna do coconut oil. Right, I'm gonna do the sweet pepper. I'm gonna do tomato. You can pass me the coconut, please, and the blender, please. There we go. And we're doing the Mother's Day. And I'm gonna cover this pot so we could cook fast. I'm into the fast cooking. This is Randy's kitchen. It's a beautiful kitchen in St. Mary today. High five. Happy Mother's Day to you. And high-low. All right. High five and high-low. Now I'm gonna need my. I'm gonna need a little bit. We don't need the salt. Just a little bit of black pepper. What I'm gonna do, folks, I'm gonna blend my coconut, and I'm gonna blend that for you guys today. Right? Good. So, I'm gonna blend the coconut. So we have a little pink salt, which I don't need salt, but we have a little seasoning here, a little seasoning there. All right, so I'm gonna chop up everything real quick. Before I do that, I'm gonna go break the coconut outside, drink the coconut water, give thanks, and get back to our blender so we could blend our coconut milk. So we're gonna cook some, not totally rundown, but we're gonna cook a little salt mackerel for Mother's Day and bring it to Mama. This is Randy, the girls them candy. Big up to who? Sandy. Also part of the leggings, we're gonna slice it and roast it in the oven. All right, see you soon. Breadfruit is ready to go in the oven. We dig the knife deep in there, push the knife deep down to open up the breadfruit so heat can be applied. And this is what we're cooking today. Oven is heating up in about 5 minutes or so. Alexa. Oh, Alexa is not here today. She went on a road trip. We'll talk later. We beat up the coconut, straight beat up. And you use a spoon after I rotate the coconut and beat it around. Don't ever use it, you don't have to use a knife. I use a spoon. Don't hurt yourself, no, a sharp knife. You just use a spoon to ox it out, just so that you're safe. Just apply a little pressure where the coconut starts. And the spoon is round, so you'll be able to ox it out, okay? Just like that. Come and beat up the thing already. There you go. So do it. So if you want to make a hair clip with this, go ahead. Boom. Cabbage open. There's the rest of the coconut there. Boom, boom, boom. So let's wash that. Supreme. Love cooking. Love cooking, but not just I love cooking. I love cooking fast. I don't like to spend too much time in the kitchen. because you don't have to. So I'm gonna move fast in the kitchen. I wash things. While I'm using them, I like to use different containers. I love shiny containers, you know what I'm saying? The time where people take cook, you can still cook fast with love. The time you take cooking is the time you can be outside enjoying the weather. You can't take no 5-6 hours of cook on nasty up kitchen. While things are cooking, you're supposed to be washing the plates at the same time. You know? So when you're done, everything is clean. So I want to take that to the blender, and so I don't really waste time in cutting this up. People cut it up for putting in a blender, especially with a Vitamix blender. It defeats the purpose in having a good blender. Blender don't care if you cut it up or not. Blender bad. Alright, and you must remember in your life the most important thing is a blender that's your first stomach. So no matter what you do in life, get a good blender. So now I'm gonna have my assistant put some water in there, filter water. Now the pot to boil with the thing at a first boil. So here I'm gonna pour this water off in the sink. And sometimes you might pour it outside. I'm gonna pour off the first set of round of water in the sink. Second round. I'm going to boil it twice. And then I'm going to chop up all my seasonal vegetable and everything. I'll make the oil hot. And then we go break them off. Turn on the oil. I'm going to boil it with my pot cover pan. A lot more water, please. So we're going. So now we have a big piece of yam too. We're going to start cooking our yam shortly. So we need a pot full of yam. These are some lovely pots. Natasha, you have a cover for the pot yet? Alright, she has some lovely pots. So we're cooking with our fans today. And it's a beautiful kitchen she has here. St. Mary, welcome Jamaica Good Life in your kitchen. It's been a while since I cook and travel. Gonna tour out St. Mary and have a ball. Look at some rivers and things. Thank you so much, Natasha. You're a great assistant. Then call me at their house all over the world and they can cook for me. I say, alright, we have some time. You have the food, we make it food. Alright, so we'll go blend the coconut. See that? People are running now cut up the coconut. Me not no time now. So what about? I said me not no time. I gotta just blend it and strain it. Alright, so we're gonna go low. First thing you do when you cook is this. Drink some of the coconut milk and celebrate life. Give me the nutmeg, Natasha. Pass the nutmeg. Mr. Pass the nutmeg. Thank you. First thing I gotta do in the kitchen, pass me the strainer. Alright? First thing you have to do when you deal with coconut, you have to drink some of it. And don't take out all the trash neither. You need to go, roughage in the system, right, people? So the first thing I have to do when the thing I blend, drink some of it, man. See that? Drink some of it. First blend, boy. Drink some of it, man. Then you can go and blend out and thing. But drink some of it, celebrate life. Nobody get the food all the time. Drink some of it. Make us celebrate. Cheers. Boy, I'm craving. Hey, me feel energy now. No more. I forgot market. Go sell some market or saltfish. Yes. Put it on my back. I'm not saying you can't take your coconut. Set up some water for me, please. No drop the blender, not please, no drop it. Alright, people. So this is when I put some nutmeg. I'm sure I put some nutmeg in that. No. So that's the good life. Alright, so we have an okra and everything. I'm going to cut up everything shortly. Alright, good. Wonderful assistant. Chef Randy's kitchen. Blend my coconut. Let's go. No. Normally we use a 12 count, 800 count pillowcase, white preferably, and that's what I always use in my kitchen because I squeeze the pillowcase and wash it out and use it so that it strains things nicely. But remember, in our life, don't get rid of all the coconut trash. Alright, so now we're going to get the bigger strainer also. And we're gonna leave this coconut trash and do another blend. Love your containers, Natasha. I love your containers. You have to invite me to your house to cook again. Love your containers, damn. Alright, she always are gonna invite me over. People. Tell your wife I'm coming over for cook for her. Them say I would say when you there work me there you I cook for your wife. Why? Yes, around there the girls them candy. Your wife called me over and said, honey, I think Sir Randy's need to come cook for you now. Alright, send him over. Wanna work, me Randy cook at the yard. Your food will be done, sir, when you come. Food done. You know, I had so much fun cooking with Randy. Yeah, no, same with the girls, them killing it, big up to Sunday. Alright, so the whole thing about that little part of the coconut was circle dash with that part there. Go brown part. You know? So we're gonna do another blend. So you don't have to go crazy with the straining. Just do another blend. Alright? I would like for double blend, and as a matter of fact we're going to keep that first blend cooking our food and leave the second blend for next day. But I want it rich, you know, we don't want to water it down, we don't want too much water either in the second blend. But this is a great kitchen. This is in Jamaica, Centenary. Welcome, Randy. You know, I forgot crazy over the coconut. I just want coconut, you know what I'm saying? So, what am I going to get the big strainer? Yes, to the big strainer, yeah. Yes, my people. This is cooking it on the kitchen. Bing, bang. What a thing. Sing a song. I'm not going to use my hand, I'm going to use a spoon. Right, so I'll go sit this. Where's the spoon there for me? 1 second. I'm going to use my hand. I'm going to touch food sometimes. Not all the time I touch food. You know? Not how you clean your hands sometimes, you know. All the time. Now you can put this in the flower pot, right? So you layer your flour in your compost. With your compost bucket. Come. Let's put that on the compost. And that's the good life. Thank you. So people, with coconut is ready. And it's not around now. So now what I'm going to do, we're going to put on the pot on the fire to deal with the sooner or later. Now welcome back. It's time for me to wash my vegetables and start to clean them and chop them up. Alright people? So I'm going to wash my vegetables. After I'm done wash them off and clean them off. That's what I love about people with nice kitchen. This is Jamaica, I know. I'm going to tell you something, you live in Jamaica. You know normal. This lady I pay like what, $400 for 2-bedroom in a St. Mary. So when you say Jamaica crime and thing, look at a nice kitchen. $400 a month? What? Internet, water, everything? Look on our stove. Look how nice. Huh? This is how them are living in Jamaica. Backyard, everything. Nice kitchen. $400 a month? Fudge. You're fine and kill out yourself. Every time we come home. That's what the whole program is about. So anyway, I go kind of strip them off first and then wash them. Alright. When I don't wash them, I go put them in a 3 bowl me use when I cook. You see me? Use 3 containers. So this is one of the nicer houses I've been to. My friends them invite me to them place all the time. Them love the show, my big fans them. So around they come hang out, cook good way, live the good life, cause them say how hard I work for Jamaica. So them show me a good time. I have a house at Portland, I have a house at Westmoreland, I have a house Mobay, my friend them all over the world. For them yard for me yard, me eat, name and drink with them and live a good life. So when you see me in a different location, I good friends, me have good friends better than pocket money. My friend them nurse friend them at Portland, me soon come. Then I go Mandeville to me have my friend them there so too. So me kinda different from you guys cause I have friends all over the world from watching the program. So this is really Jamaica Good Life when your friends them can share. So again, this is for the compost. You know, mess up the kitchen. You keep that. So this is first I do my cut-offs. You know, gotta leave some for the garden. Then after I do my cut-off, then I do my wash-off. A 3 container I use. Alright, so now I would blend this and actually drink it, you know. So that's how I get things ready for my seasoning container. So I'm gonna keep everything clean, but don't cut up stuff on the countertop. I'm gonna pepper on everything. So first, I'm gonna get rid of the things I'm gonna need. Then I'm gonna do my washings. Alright, wash the thyme last. I don't like to have stem in my food from thyme. I don't like it. Sometimes I like to blend the thyme in water, you know, to get and just strain it. And all the time I use the thyme leaf. Sometimes I like to cut it and blend it and use the thyme water near to the end to give that nice taste, right? Garlic, sometimes I blend it and strain it. With the skin is also a part of taste of the food. Windy, very windy in St. Mary. So it's nice and cool. Unlike Montego Bay, very hot. Very, very hot, Mobay. But St. Mary, it's a beautiful place. So, when you live in Jamaica, wherever you live, you can find a housing scheme and rent a room, rent a place, or buy a local house in a housing scheme and build a local house in Africa too. A waste of time. I build a dream house might turn into a nightmare. There's some good builders in Mandalay, you know, that we trust. So again, whoever you are, stay in health. Lot of garlic. Sometimes over the whole garlic, not just a peg, because you need the garlic to reduce your inflammation. When you're cooking, put a piece of ginger. So now the fish supposed to done mine now, so I'm gonna go turn off the stove for the fish. So my seasoning is gonna be ready soon. Yam water boil. Once I chop up my vegetable, that's what I'm throwing my yam. I'm gonna cut this yam. So I'm gonna do the whole garlic, alright? So this is how I look on. Leave the pepper for last. Wash them off. So I like a lot of pepper. Not everybody does. So what we're gonna do after we're gonna separate this pot. So we're gonna do. I'm gonna cut some pepper in last. Okay. Lots of pepper. Okay. So see, compost. Keep this close to you. So here's my thyme. So I don't like to use. I like to get the best of my thyme. So in order to get the best of my thyme, I love to blend it in water and strain it. And keep the water on the sideline in a container. So I love to blend my thyme. Yeah, this is going to go in the compost. That's the compost. So I throw my thyme in there. And then I put them at the bottom. And then this is the water I'm going to use to actually deal with the food, the thyme water. So I call this my water, and it's my thyme water. Some of those say it's flavored water. And that's what I deal with thyme. I don't like eating food. And I don't like to eat food and I have to deal with taking stuff out of the food. Everything in the food should be edible. So I'm going to keep the food clean. this is my thyme water. Like my coconut water, I keep to the side, along with my thyme water. That's how me cook. Me not like, if I'm gonna get the full potential of the thyme, this is gonna make it taste nice with the flavor. So I don't use regular water. Me use thyme water. All right. So this is thyme water. I remember you can drink a little bit of this in the morning when you wake up. A little thyme water. Google what thyme is good for. See, I know. That's on my thyme water. And you see now, you get little particles in there, which is fine. That goes in the garden. So that's cooking with Randy. Big up to Sunday. So now here's my thyme water. So this is the water me use when we want to use water for cooking down the thing. And you can store that in your refrigerator too. So that's your compost. Leave your compost stuff to the right. Always work three containers. Everything is clean. See? Right? So now, time to wash our vegetables. You wash the vegetables, put it in the wash container. Wash container. So one container compost, one container is your washer, and you rotate them. Keep a clean kitchen, amazing. Speed, lovely. So once you organize this thing, remember, I use a whole garlic. Alright, so now I like to crush the garlic. And sometimes use my garlic water. Take some of it, keep it in the fridge. So now look a chopper thing with the lady have. Miss Natasha, can I have a look a chopper thing? Thank you, Mr. Tasha. It's a pleasure cooking for you and your family on this beautiful Mother's Day. I hope you have many more. May God bless you. And we can rock. Did I use the rocker yet? No, it took me to for there. So wait there. I can't use it. Rocker to rocker, sucker. How about this? This will cut off my hand. Also, where you get this rocker from? See, show me how to use it. Show me how to use the rocker. I see your rocker not going. You know how you cut your finger?
Just like a little.
Okay, alright. Thank you.
You want to find it on this?
No, sir. Thank you for the rocker. That might cut off my finger.
You don't put your finger there, don't cut.
Alright. Look the seat now. Alright. Thank you. Stop rock out the thing. You rock out all the juice. Thank you. Step around the gum with the knife. Alright. Nice. Teamwork. Your dream work. Okay, so now I'll go deal with that. Thank you. I never use a rocker there yet. So people, alright. So the yam water boil. I'm gonna cut up my okra, man. Natasha, you hold the okra them in a big bungle too? Mm-hmm. You know some people cut up one okra at a time. You know that? Mm-hmm. I know that can't tell. Some of them big. of them look. This is one of the amazing Mother's Day brunch. Put the tomato them over there so. You know, so I love cooking. I love cooking. I love a clean kitchen. I love a lot of light in the kitchen. I'm a light. Put the garlic and the onions together. I love light in the kitchen. It's nothing like light and nice canteen and lovely knives and a nice stove in our life. Just cook and invite friends over, drink some wine and, you know, take life easy and eat healthy, you know. So yes. So now I'll get the frying pan over. I'll deal with this with scallion, bend him on the bit. Pepper. And I go hot too. Just one pepper good enough, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh man, our seeds there. So I'm gonna leave that. Alright, leave that on that. Okay. So now we're ready to go. Let me get the to boil up some salt and that for me, please. Let me get the frying pan. Be right back. Oh, now I'm gonna go cut the yam. So I'm gonna cook some of the yam. Lovely. I'm gonna go peel them. I'm gonna go peel them in a little. See, we keep things clean. So I deal with people. I say I cut them and peel them like I peel weed. We keep things clean. The yam that come from Mobay, no fertilizer. You see around the edge them. Around the edge them, no have no color. It's a nice piece of yam here. I'm not going to eat too much yam in this deal. I'll probably cut another piece. It's just a blessing in being Jamaica. It's a blessing. Wherever you are, full joy yourself, yeah. Life short. Cut back on the cow and choose the pop chow. Right now. Myself, you cut back on the cow, choose the pop chow right now, right. Sing this song with me, Natasha. Cut up on the cow, choose the pop chow right now. Choose the pop chow. Me say, some of them little, some of them big, some like the pork, yes, some like the pig. Cut up on the cow and choose the pop chow right now. Too much people are dead of cancer, you know. Pop chow is the answer, you know. I remember for work out, become a dancer. Hey, remember go to Jamaica Good Life and become our sponsor. We say cut down on the cow and choose the pop chow. Right now, me I go choose the pop chow. Hey, that's how we do it, you know. That's how we say it, you know. Hey. So you see yam? Nice piece of yam for Mother's Day. You see me? That's how it's here. for Mother's Day. Break him out, no matter. Hey, hey, too much carbs. Hey, we want another piece too, right? Throw we yum in the pot. See the pot there? Give me the Himalayan salt. Give me the Himalayan salt. Yeah, give me the coconut oil. Yeah, for my style. Put the coconut oil in there. You put salt in there? Alright. Look at this coconut oil. More pepper the yam too. And then, so I cut a piece of pepper in the yam. A hot one that's right. Now I'm not going hot. You have sweet pepper? Alright, I'll do sweet pepper too. Alright. I know she had to me. She had to put pressure on me to feel sweet pepper now. Alright. Sing the song while I pay the thing, missus.
Pop Joe.
Pass the container. Alright, so them say cut up on the cow, choose the pop chow. Right now. What kind of sweet pepper this?
Purple flesh.
Purple flesh? Where then grow? Your garden? Are your garden grow this? Yeah, live big life.
That's what I get Captain Jack.
You know some of us them right? Where them grow? St. Mary? Anywhere? Them taste good?
From the States.
From the state? Where you get a little sucker?
Yeah.
These are nice. From Atlanta? Oh, I like these. Happy Mother's Day. Look at this.
They're really good too.
They're really good. Talk up the thing, I'm afraid to talk. Audience not gonna bite you. You know, we'll get up this morning and I'll fight you. People, this is Randy. Some of my life set, you know. Travel the world, meet up with friends, cooking at the ends. You know what I mean? So I'm cut down on a cow for real. I'm gonna choose a pop chow. So, you know, if I lose the weight, I'm at 220 now. I was 209 when I left for Jamaica. Now I'm going back up a little. So now I cut down on the liquor and now I eat up rice out the road. I can't never load for myself, yeah, man, when I get older. Alright. The food here go nice, you know. I think we need a piece more lamb for yourself. Alright.
Just do it. Nike.
Like, we keep my pepper separate, you know. Wonder if people want a piece of food from it too. Well, the yam is a blessing. Are the last of the yam this? I hope you guys watch the series on the epic yam. So this yam was here for Mother's Day. It's a blessing for the way I do. This is to celebrate Jamaica and all the good people in this country. Sometimes I have to turn off on the YouTube, just watch Jamaica Good Life and rerun, watch everything. And see the positivity we're coming out of psyche. I intentionally do this program and just focus on positive so that when the world starts to fall apart with a negative psyche, if you have a program to watch that is total positive, because let me tell you, every time you hear about death and killing, it actually affects you, you know, as a human being. The news is negative. People are dying all over the world. There's 8 billion of us. There's going to be casualties. People going to die. The alcohol, the food, the low morality. There's so much reason why people are killing each other. So there's nothing we can do about it but pray for the better. But now I'm going to sit down and focus on negativity all my life. Because I don't want to be affected by it. Alright, so the yam is cooking. Beautiful. So now this is our compost. We're going to pass this on to our assistant and she's going to make the plants happy. There you go, Natasha. You have now won an award. Alright, so now that is done, my friends. So the next thing is to strain this off and to now start preparing this for the fry down. It's very nice. I love this stove. It's a Frigidaire. I advertise for them, but at Jamaica you buy this, are you? Singer? So you rent the place and you have stove. You have to buy your stove too?
Yep.
And fridge too?
Unfurnished.
And furnace. So you go. Bring it with you when you're done.
Yes.
What a thing, sir. Lord of His mercy. So you're paying $400 a month for this place?
Yes.
Average light bill is how much?
To 3,000.
And that would be $27 about. 25 US for light bill per month, she says. And the rent is 2-bedroom, 400. How much for the internet?
About 30.
30 US for the internet. So we're still under $460.
And the water is about $25, $30.
All right, 60. So let's say we go to $700 when she have gas. No, I mean we're at $500 water, internet, and light. 500 US per month. And your cell phone is how much? 40.
13.
13.
Yeah,
Unlimited cell phone.
but
Flow. You sure 13? What plan you use? 28 day unlimited. So she living at St. Mary for $550 a month for phone, water, 2-bedroom. Jaja in St. Mary. And how far the beach there?
2 miles.
Beach there 10 minutes. You have river?
River, beach, right there, sir.
You have mountains?
Right there, sir.
How much gunshot you hear every night?
Not, you know, so now I'm waiting.
No gunshots.
Not yet. Not ever.
Alright. That is 550, right? Per month. Am I correct?
Yeah.
And then gas is about 100 US.
A month, yeah.
So 650 per month for gas for the car. How much for gas for the cylinder for the stove? Like $40 every 3 months?
Well, because I don't cook,
She don't cook much.
it's like not even $40. It's like maybe $25, $30, and it took me 7 months to
So
finish it.
$30 for 7 months for the gas for cooking. And you buy the water for $3 per bottle. Alright people, you do the maths wherever you live. Alright, so the stove is getting hot. So we're going to quickly put some coconut oil in there. I'm gonna make that hot. Right? And then we're gonna filter our thing here. Why? Proud of you. Now, how did you find this place?
Caldwell Banker online.
You
Jamaica
can't-
Caldwell Banker.
Mhm.
Just search for rental in the parish that you want,
Mm-hmm.
and there's always something for rent or for sale. You know.
Mm-hmm. And it was a lease?
Yes, the lease.
They check your. How do they check your?
So you'll have to have your TRN.
Uh-huh.
You have to have your ID.
Uh-huh.
You'll have to have proof of address, and that would entail maybe a mortgage or a utility bill. And then you have to show proof of funds, so they'll need a copy of your most recent
Statements?
bank statements. Yeah. And yeah, you go through from there. You put on your deposits,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, you sign your lease and you do month to month after your lease is up. You know, depending on how well you and the landlord get along. Or depending on how long you wanna stay. when you build your house or buy your house, or you just want to feel out Jamaica. You know, if you have a job where you can work remotely and it doesn't matter where in the world you live, this is perfect.
What are some of the challenges you have in Jamaica while being down here? Any challenges that's just upfront that to tell people to avoid?
The roads. That's the only thing I hate about Jamaica, the roads. Pothole the size of Lake Huron. Just the roads. That's the only challenge I have. Everything else I can do.
Alright people, you hear what she said. So let's get back to this right here. Thank you ma'am for inviting us to your house to understand your lifestyle. I'm going to use this spoon and the fork to get this together and to debone this thing right here. Alright. Spoon and fork are fight over salt. Well, let me call it salt mackerel. A long time I eat some salt mackerel and I love salt mackerel. And I love the bone too. So salt mackerel is a thing when I love one. So this is a good life. Chef Randy. I know from my friend over there, big boss cook I know. Big up to man called Sheldon in Manchester. Leave some of the bone in Manchester, Sheldon. You know, big up to Queen Cuisine, one of the greatest chef of all times, Lisa Brown. Another friend of mine, she no normal. One day she'll come back to Jamaica and I go do some serious cooking. Oh, the breadfruit. How the breadfruit you think the breadfruit are going? Remember I said the breadfruit in there, you know. Alright people, see it there? Boom, 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 boom. So now, you're Mr. Tuna. So this whole thing, everybody have their own style. Me not like for kill it with the vegetable. You know what I like for though? My style, the flame hot already, you know. Hotter than hot. So now I go turn it down. So the oil hot, so I turn on the flame. Alright, so breadfruit, pump him up to 300, 380. Alright. So it's hot. So what me like for though? My style. Because, yo. I like to put my pepper. And I like to put on my scallion and leave the other. Some of the scallion. Some of the thing them. These are some of the guy kind of thing. And I like to make them do them things. So the other one, the peppers are, some people like to throw everything in there, too much water. Too much water before they fry. So I like make them go on with them bad things to get some flavor in the pot. Then I say boom, turn it up, make it hot. And you see when it's hot? Pepper underneath your skin. No. Throw a little rum in that. Joke now. Pepper underneath your skin. Alright, run pepper, that is good. So now this is where I blaze it. I want it when this thing going out, I want it scratch it. You see me? I don't want it too water. I want it kind of, yes, that's what I meant. Hey. So I like when it, yeah man, I like when it touch the pot bottom and kind of fry him a little bit, you know. So I don't like it when it cook. So even this, you know, we don't put too much cook up man. No. See we super daddy around here, but you know, the girl and candy, hey, sit down. See super daddy around there now. Watch it now. Watch it people. See there. See there. No. This is where the magic happens, people. We don't want no water and that kind of thing. That's when we get the one. I hate it. Oh, this is good. So that's a lot of flavor, and it get some heat tonight, you know. And you see, what they use, what the eater will taste, then we taste this first. Because you don't want to soften it up like you cook it with the coconut water and thing. It's not a rundown. Yeah? It's a sundown. So you see this also? Pepper on everything. We want it fried a little. Okay? So you see after that fry a little now we'll never put the thyme water in it, you see? No, the reason
Put the thyme water in it.
you want the thyme water in there and shake it up. I'm gonna put too much water, bro. I'm gonna put too much water in it because the coconut water. No. Coconut. So now that is amazing. You know, say. You know, say that cooking nice, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. It fry. Yes. Yeah. No mind. Yeah. Come on, them to taste the fry. You know what I'm saying? Nothing. Yeah, I ate that. So now, what we're going to do now, I know too much coconut water we're going to put in there. And we have the thyme water too. No, this is where you do this now. Now you put the thyme water in it. Okay, coconut water. You take one, put it over that side there. You take one, you put it over that side there. You take one, you put it over that side there. You take one, you put it over that side. Don't mix it up. Do not mix it up. I don't know. Have you seen the splendiferousness? Me no mix it. Mister no mix it, mix it. Let each section do its thing. Don't mix it. Left it. You know see what I want. Just look it a little. No mix it. You see that? Let her run the thing, alright? I remember buckling the thyme water and keeping on the fridge. No! What you do now? No, because we want it fresh when you eat it. You want the season to be fresh. You want one set of thing cook out, but the season, this must be fresh. Like food. And if you cook out, you mustn't cook out. You must not cook out season. The season must kind of have a like. Hello, reindeers. When they're ready for Christmas, because Santa Claus is coming. Hey. Boy, and then turn on the stove now. Make it simmer down. Jaja. Teamwork. Make the steam work. Yeah, I'm gonna go on with, yeah? Yeah, I'm not my cook. So that is Mother's Day brunch. It's not a breakfast, nor is it a lunch. It's a brunch. What do you think about that, Natasha? Was that a good vibration?
I love it. Can't wait to taste it.
All the pot them know we can't stop washing now. This is important. We get a jar. So people, as you can see, even though I never use all my thyme, I have it for another what? Thyme. See it there? Put that in the fridge. I put thyme water. I some coconut water too. You know, if you use too much of them, so that means that you save your time for cook the next time. So now I'm gonna get a bottle from under this thing. Alright. Alright. So while that's cooking right there. So Natasha is gonna pour the coconut water. You have a funnel, right? So Natasha is gonna take care of that while I may check out the pot. So you see this now? Now you want a little cookings now to add that, so you add a little bit more thyme water to it. We're making a little gravy now. So everything can steam. And we'll blaze the fire a little bit more. So now we're gonna make the vegetables cook a little bit. That's what I'm gonna talk about. And now that's supposed to be salted. There we go. So let that cook. And then we'll put your thyme water. So that's my style. I will know you have your own style. And you have your own smile. We don't use file paper no more. This was not really used in the kitchen. Do not use file paper. File paper is not a good thing in your kitchen, alright? Okay. Okay, so next time let's take a look when it come back. I think we'll add my seasonings first, but I'm gonna add it at the end. And then we'll mix them up. To finalize the cookings. I'm on this season for fresh. It's supposed to be heavenly. Yeah, man. See that tomato not too cook out. Still taste the tomato. Lovely, lovely. Lovely. So people, this is Randy. Yam is done. Let's get to a place so we can eat this thing before we deliver the stuff to Mom. And happy Mother's Day. Washing the pot and everything. We cook for the woman them, you know. The woman them take care of the children them, you know. Good answer yours. Greatest gift of life is children and family. So, your family and full joy of the earth, nature, and love on yourself. Up everything, straighten out everything. But the thing about the seasoning last from like the seasoning now go nice and fresh. 5 minutes in and that you go taste the seasoning with it. So it's not like the seasoning cook out. So there's a different ways to deal with the thing. And it's not taking off too long to finish. So plate done, wash everything, wash it in the plate. And get the two plate done. And we'll just sit. And remember, you can use the same coconut milk and drink for your drinks. So 1 coconut with water, add a little nutmeg to the coconut, water, a little bit of vanilla, some ice if you want ice. I would recommend drinking anything cold. Not good for your liver. And then you just deal with it. So Natasha, Assistant Natasha, can you please put the chair them outside? 2 glass please with the nuts, like we're going to put some coconut milk in them and have coconut milk with this dinner. So everything wash up. So we're not dependent upon the woman for Mother's Day to do nothing. Alright? Take care of the woman. All year we take care of them. We don't have a problem cooking. Because everything we cook it what? Finger licking. Time to turn on stove. Countertop, everything nice. So we don't eat or just 2 plates for us. Look at that. Oh, somebody say hot. Turn off the pot. Randy, you really no normal with the thing, you know. See the juice. Hoi! Bring the plate, come. Hey. This is not even run down. Chairs are outside. The arms are on the chair. And we're gonna have a coconut rum punch. So pass the white rum and 2 nice tall glasses. Yes, and whatever you do, this is dinner time, this is lunch time. So please don't be late for class. This is Jamaica, right? So we use a cup instead. Okay. So we're going to take the rum, pass me the nutmeg please, pass me the coconut milk, and we take the big plate, yellow, that's what we'll talk about. Alright, go shake that coconut milk up, see that? No sugar, you know. Never put sugar in that. Yeah, put some honey, get some white rum. It's a celebration. It's not a demonstration, it's a celebration. Alright, people, so the coconut milk, cups, white rum. Is the chair ready outside in Jamaica Good Life? Chair is ready. The 2 arms up on the chair. No mosquito is not in there, so no. So the yam there. Alright, my people, we're gonna share this out. Nice. Always use a spoon that is hollow. Oh, the breadfruit at one. The breadfruit. Oh, nice. Breadfruit look like him ready too. So breadfruit there. All right. Breadfruit look like him ready, you know. What do you think? Let me go check him again. Alright, we'll go bring the breadfruit for the family. We'll go deal with. Alright, I'll get the pods then. And I'll go try see if the breadfruit are ready. Okay. Okay, big knife. Alright, now look how cute pot there. Cutie. My hand too big for them things here. Can I look at people kitchen this? Cover the speciality, a 5-star thing. You Yes, King. 5-star thing, you say, you know. See them people. Breadfruit are going with madness with the yam them. Competition, you know. We're going to yam them. All that. Turn off stove, please. Let's check this breadfruit if it's ready. Boom. So we're going. Alright. We're going now. Okay, we ready, Mr. Breadfruit? Let's see. So we're going. You ready? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Breadfruit ready?
Oh yeah.
You ready, you think? You sure? Make us see. I don't know, you know, it look like the breadfruit, they're too whole. Make us see what I'm going with it. I only might turn off a fry later. Okay, make us see what I'm going with them. Alright, man. We're putting already yet. Don't want it already. Alright, so here we go. Put him back in there. Open, turn on him. And here we go down. The breadfruit is not ready because we don't have no course, so we're going to add some water to this. And you know, have no kind of top, right?
It's plastic. So it's gotta use foil.
You have foil? Let me get it. Normally we don't ever use foil. But we need a metal top for next time. People in Jamaica, stop using foil. So now go put this back in there for the friends we're gonna bring the stuff to. So we add some water and put it back in the oven. This is the first time this oven I deal with breadfruit. Well, good. And turn it up, put some. Alright, good. Breadfruit is back. So let's just show out our food. Yes. So how much piece of yam you want? You get one piece of potato. Oh, look at that. Look on the. Look. That's all you want? Miss bird picnic. A bird picnic them. No, so surrounded there. Oh, you look how it's hot. That yam cook out. Whoa. It's hot. Whoa. Look on the water. How nice. No want that cup of that. This. Me say me want. Why people me say why? God is good. What? All the time. Mrs. You sure say how this alone you want? No, Mrs. You have to eat food with me. You can't go on so. You look a bit more. Oi, look how it's soft on that. Oi. Alright.
You have to end up with 10 minutes.
So here me say. We get there. Hold on. Stop the press. I want the Jamaican cup. Look on this water here. The purple, look there. This I want. You know, Granny used to drink this and just burp. Eh? You want to drink some of the pot water with me? Alright, missus. Cheers. And this pot water have pepper in it, missus.
Okay.
A pepper in Hoy! Are the best pot water me ever drink. You never taste pot water. You think you hog food me are cooking at this blouse. Why that pot water they nice? Me can't sell pot water, that's how wicked me is. No sir. That the pot water nice.
You see a bit salt already?
Boy! See that? A boss country boy cook. Watch it now people. Nobody tell nobody say Andy come on people yard I sent me and mash it up. Give me the big spoon right there and take up the gravy. That's the pot water there. Look here. Woman, children and child. Them a go spot. Them a go spot. Look on the gravy run on the hedge. See some for mama. Why woman and child them a go spot. Why I saw you man live in Jamaica. Them no around it. Make sure somebody give her Mother's Day some of the red tomato and some of the, you know. Mama got me tell us I go cook for your mother. And your mother go say, "My dear, something is different." I go hide on the back when she eat it. I go leave that for now, cause you know, I like to run back in a pot. No, here's what I say to you. This is pot water. I go down in our history. So we have to take some of it. See? This is Jamaica Good Life. Not a Cub Life. I'm going to put this up. And think, now you're happy to see me come out your yard, right? Me don't expect the unexpected, past the fact then. People, this is Jamaica Good Life. This is Randy. And take care of yourself and love and light. I go to the road, I go, yeah, me know. And you know me like about your style of plate hunting, you know, so say it's yellow. And the fact them just purple like the, yo, you know normal, you know, man. You see the fact them purple and this. Hey, at Jamaica them a live so. Later people, we did forget to do the coconut water and the rum. See there? Natural. Coconut milk and a little bit of rum. So, a little bit of nutmeg in it. See there? So we're going to drink the coconut milk for drinks. And we're going to leave some for mama. This is how you deal with health. I'm going to put some rum in it. Celebrating Randy's 50th birthday all over Jamaica. I'm cooking with my friends all over Jamaica for the rest of the year. So if you don't want to cook with me, celebrate my birthday, give me a call. 646-330-9150. Our kind of, whoa, me love the nutmeg spinner here. But then call it. Me no trust them spinning thing, you know. Look here, this not, our kind of spin. You see, when they get fancy for me, like they can't grate a nutmeg. Eh? Oh, go on. Well, you see, when we used to just deal with grater and tickle, Lord has mercy. Make we not just you cramp my style up, you know. Jeez, you're slumming on my food. I get cold, you know, missus. Dash with that thing there, man, you know, work this here, yeah. Thank you. See it there? See it there, people? That's what I'm talking about. I put the rum in there yet? I think I did. Look there.
Are you sure?
Yeah, man.
Make sure rum in mine, you know.
I hang out with drunk people. Alright, give me a fork. Give me something. Yeah, man. Rum and ice, no ice. That's what I'm talking about. Let me taste this. Oh, that's how I call that drinks. Put it on the chair then. I'm coming. Alright. Alright, see then now we're gonna taste the thing and see what's going on. Okay. Is that nice dear? See the food look there? So give thanks. See that people? Wow. Jaja.
Splendiferous.
Sting yourself. Balance. I wish we did have more ready. So mackerel. Yeah, the soft yam. Not now fight. This is what you call Randy.
Here's that.
That is
You
good.
like that?
Yeah.
That has more iron, more antioxidant.
And not oily. It's just lovely. I just love it. Just tastes like, just disappear. You see everything blending. The thyme, though it's not even recognized, but the coconut blend.
That's how we do two mackerel.
No man, do some more mackerel next time. Normal.
Thank you, Brother Ron.
Hey, it's my pleasure. This is my birthday celebration. Remember I said we did the a Captain Drop. Wow. Yeah. It's a 5-star mackerel. You know, salty. Right? And Mom should like it.
The yam is soft. The peppers are still crunchy.
Yeah.
The mackerel is salt, just a lot of flavors and textures in your mouth. This is food.
In Jamaica, they would make this too much season. It would be too hot. Yeah. Frying of the pepper kill the heat. And put the flavor in the oil first. Then you add the mackerel. Then you add the vegetable last. You put everything together, you don't get the fry. You don't get the blend of the mackerel and the pepper and the scallion. But I want a vegetable scallion. I mean crunchy. You never want your vegetable to cook out.
Nice and crunchy.
Yeah. So when it's crunchy, you're still tasting the vegetables. And that's what gives it the flavor. Because you're tasting your vegetables while you're tasting the blend of things together. You must always be able to taste your vegetables separately. Might want to read the pot. Now if you go bring this to your mother and they buy a taste a little piece of it, they might take it from your mother.
Watch them. Watch them try.
I remember saying we had the pot water too. Now watch the dirty yellow shirt. Wow. Taste it with the pot water.
Wow.
This is what
Better
cooking.
than soup.
Yeah. Pot water with the yam. Remember, no, the yam not fertilized, you know.
Neither is the sweet
How you
potato.
plant it?
Came right out of my garden.
This is lovely. The pot water here, no normal. A piece of yellow pepper. I mean the purple pepper. Yeah. Then you put some respect for my name. Plate wash up done. Kitchen clean. This is Happy Mother's Day. Yam soft. breadfruit a bar, but we let him breadfruit a steam up now. Cut a piece of the breadfruit. Okay. Let's fry a piece of the breadfruit there.
Suck it up with this. You know
You know,
hot
sir?
water.
Yeah. You know, sir, we take the pot water, fry a piece of breadfruit and soak it night and eat it. Why? It's a pot water for save.
Everybody hungry, we have hot water for
Yeah,
you.
hey, I want some more of the pot water. No, sir, no normal. Now we can take the pot water and blend it with sea moss. Put it in the morning for drink. Oh man, that's iron. So people, I'm going to turn the plate on my head, sorry. I never see that.
The man run the ingredient.
Ingredient? No. Make with the toast. The Jamaica Good Life and Randy 50th birthday with the coconut milk. Boy, thank you. So invite me at your yard to celebrate my birthday. See there.
Stir it.
Coconut.
Stir it.
Stir it. Coconut with. Should I choose some of the pot? No.
Wow.
Nice, huh?
What does this taste like? Wow.
First time I drink this. Rum with coconut milk and nutmeg. First time I get this. First time for everything great. Now you live the good life. The pot water good, the food good, and the drinks. Don't box me, Maxie.
Highly high.
You feel the nutmeg and the rum and the coconut milk. Everything natural.
Wow.
This is what you call top dog cooking.
I could go get some more mackerel, you do it again? Or
We'll go buy a whole heap of mackerel now. Invite the whole fancy Randy, come on my yard. You remember when you cook the mackerel thing there and a rundown, you call it the sundown. Just till dawn till sun up. Randy cooking and drinks it, turn up.
I love this potato.
Me say fun up. This is Jamaica Good Life. Yes. This is what you call Sunday. This is what you call veranda eating. Until next time. Later.